Hello there and welcome to episode 1 in my Thailand vlog series. Today I'll be in Bangkok and visiting the Maeklong Railway Market. I'll be solo travelling across Thailand in this vlog series, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more vlogs. So I got water, some lemon iced tea and this meal, and it only cost me £2 altogether. It tastes so good. Day 2 in Bangkok. I got here really late last night at I don't even know what time it was. I got here late, maybe 7 or 8. By the time I went shopping, I went to 7-Eleven, etc. I wasn't back in my hotel properly till 10 p.m, so I'm super tired. It is now just about 8 a.m. and I'm on my way to the floating market. I did a self-check-in at my hotel last night because apparently the staff leave at 7 p.m, which is hella early. So they just left me my key, but I haven't paid or anything, so I'm gonna see if they make me do that now, but I'm kind of in a hurry, so I'm hoping there is no staff downstairs. But yeah, catch you in a bit. I absolutely love iced tea, so obviously the first thing I went to go and buy was some butterfly pea and lime iced tea, and that cost me 40 baht, which is just £1. I booked this tour online through TripAdvisor, and that included a trip to the railway market and the floating market, as well as transfers to and from Bangkok. Our first stop on the trip was to this salt station, where outside you can see they harvest the salt from the water. It's a bit of a random stop. It wasn't like a tourist stop where they make you buy things, but I guess it was just convenient as it was right next to the train station. Maeklong station is about an hour's drive from the centre of Bangkok. If you head here, you can actually get onto the train that will take you directly into the railway market. That is pretty cool. Train tracks. Just waiting for the train to arrive, take me to the market. How the hell do you get up here? I didn't actually film myself climbing onto the train because it was literally every man for themselves and it was so hectic. But yeah, so it was a short journey, probably 20 or 30 minutes, and then we were at the train market. Oh my god, these shops are so close. Oh my god. So here you can see the train passing through what is a fully functional market, and later on I will actually show you walking through the market myself. So easily get robbed here.
Doing all these shows, I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Finally arrived. It's weird, doing all these shows, I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid.
Instead of heading directly to where all the tourists were, we left out of this little alleyway and took a short walk to the quieter part of the railway market. I finally arrived at the railway market, and you can see that the sellers are selling their goods right on the train tracks. That all changes when the train comes though. This market is over 100 years old, 400 meters long, and is open every single day from 3 AM until 3 PM. Before the dawn of supermarkets, fresh markets like these existed for local people to come and get their fresh meat and other grocery items. With the arrival of so many tourists now, you can see that there are a lot of souvenirs on offer. At the start of the train market in television. We've got to wait another half an hour for the train to come, I think. I took a little walk back down the tracks to see if there was anything I fancy buying. It's so bloody hot here. The train is now arriving and you can see the market sellers packing away their stalls and their umbrellas. Oh, thank you. Oh look, the train's coming down the market. The train passes through this market 8 times a day at approximately every 2.5 hours. I'm going to move out of the way, that is hella close. This is a monorail, meaning there's a singular track and the same train passes up and down the track each day. That was fun, it was bloody hot though. Pretty much the same thing as Vietnam, to be honest. Prior to this trip, I visited Train Street in Vietnam, which was quite a similar experience. Doesn't feel very safe. Oh, it's so hot, man.
Last 2 days I got so bad already.
Yeah, I don't blame you. I'm sweating so much. I have to go home after this and change my clothes. Ah, there you go. Finished at the train market, on the way to the floating markets. Hello! Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for even more Thailand vlogs.